Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I'm so excited, we are starting the project pen for 2022, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you are curious about the makeup that I'm wearing, I will list down below everything that I have on my face. And as well, I will put in the description box the link for this video with the eye look and for the palette creation for this month. And I'm starting this series with custom palettes for each month and I'm so excited, so that will be down below. But now let's move into the project pen. First thing, let's mention what is a project pen. Like the name is suggesting, a project pen is a project where you are selecting a number of products. For me is 10, because I found out last year that 10 is my magic number for the number of items, but you can do 3 items, 5 items, any number that you want. The next thing is the period that you want to do the project pen. For me, it will be a year-long project pen, because this is my first time doing a year-long project pen, and I'm very excited, and I want to see in December how many items I finished up, how many items I hit pen or something like that, and I think it will be a lot of fun. But if you want, you can do 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, any period that you want. And then I will do a rolling project pen. That means that when I'm finishing a product, I will introduce another one. And if I'm hitting pen, I could have the option as well to introduce another product, or I'm letting myself the option to introduce another product if I'm getting bored. So I will let myself swap any products that are boring to me, because I don't want to use something just because it's in the project pen. I want to be a fun project pen. For some items I will pick a number of uses, and when I'm reaching that number I will swap out the product, because again I don't want to get bored. So these are all my rules. Now let's move into the products. Okay, so let's start with the products that I had last year in the project pen. First thing that I was hoping to finish up last year, but is so close to be finished but is not done yet, is the Becca highlighter is in vanilla quartz. I repressed this product. It looks like this. It's a very small amount of product. I think I could use this up very fast. In January I think this will be done, hopefully. But because I think this one will be done very fast, I want to introduce another highlighter in the project pen. This is very reflective, but I will put a picture as well. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in Blossom Gloom. This one has a giant pen in it as well, and I want to finish up this product this year if possible. I'm introducing both of them as one product. The other product that was in the 2021 project pen and I want to use it this year up if possible is the MAC lipstick. Is the shade Kinda Sexy. This is the lipstick right now. I will put on the screen a picture with the progress on paper. I think that will be easier to see. And yeah, so I hope this lipstick will be done until the end of the year, but we are gonna see. Then let's move into order of application. I usually put in my project pen one product from each category, but not necessarily. But right now we have almost all categories. So I have a primer. This is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. And I do love this primer, so that's the reason I want to put it in the project, because I love it and I want to finish it up. So as you can see, it's right here. I love the packaging as well, because it's very clearly where the product is, and I think this could be done this year and I'm very excited to use it up, so I'm putting it in the project. Next, I'm introducing in the project pen one foundation. This is the Stay Naked by Urban Decay and I have the shade 20NN. This again is very easy to see where I'm at. I'm right here, and I think this could be done as well very easily in like maybe 3 or 4 months maximum. And I'm very excited to use this up because I love this foundation and it's great, so I'm introducing this in the project pen. Then as a concealer, I'm putting in the project my favorite concealer. This one is the NYX Born to Glow. I'm the shade Vanilla, if I remember correctly. Yeah, Vanilla. This is great. I love it so much. It's a more medium coverage concealer, but it's very hydrating and I love the effect. I'm wearing it today with other foundation. This is amazing, I love it, and I don't think I can clearly see right now where I'm at, but I need to squish the packaging very well to get some product out, so I think I'm close to be done. I think in this window we are gonna see when the product is right here, but right now I think I'm like here. I will pop a picture as well. For powders, I want to introduce two. This one is the NYX HD finishing powder and is the shade Banana. I just broke the packaging like 2 days ago. I do like this powder very much. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it immediately, but it's great. I have a giant pen on it and I think this product will be done very fast, hopefully. So I'm putting like 1 or 2 months on this, but I don't have a lot of experience project penning. And the other powder that I'm introducing is the High Glass. Both of these are from NYX, and this is the shade Light, and I have a giant pen in this one as well. This I think it will take a bit longer because I'm using a giant brush with this and I'm just fluffing this powder around, so maybe 3 months or 4. Let's throw a number in there, but this powder is great. I don't think it's necessary in my makeup routine, so I'm not gonna repurchase a similar product to this, but for now I like it and I want to finish it up, so that will be in the project pan. Then for bronzer, I'm very excited about the idea that I have, so I'm gonna introduce in the project pan this tiny stick of Milk Makeup matte bronzer. Is the shade Baked. As you can see, this is almost flat. I love this bronzer, but the packaging broke. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this product because I can take a bit of product from here with a brush, and then when I'm finishing this highlighter, I will put the remaining of this bronzer into the Becca packaging, and then we can use this up completely, and I'm very excited about that because I love this bronzer. For blush, I'm putting in the project pan the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. Is the shade Summer Breeze. It's a beautiful orange, it has a bit of shimmer. It's the color that I'm wearing on my cheeks. It's not going very well with the eye look, but it's fine. So I will put 30 uses on this one, and I will mark every time that I'm using it. And when I'm reaching that number, if I want to still use this one, I will add more uses to that, but I know myself, I usually get bored of using the same blush. So for that reason, I'm putting a number of uses on this one, and then I could swap around maybe all my blushes, who knows? And we are gonna see what progress I can do with those numbers. The last product in the project pan is the e.l.f. brow pencil. I have just a tiny bit of this left. I will pop again a picture with this on the paper, and I think I will be done with this very fast. I usually use this product with my NYX brow pencil. I will not repurchase this product because I don't really like it, so I'm not recommending it to you either. This is the shade Neutral Brown. I like the color, but the formula is not for me. It's too waxy for my taste. I think this will be very easy to finish up, maybe 1 or 2 months. Okay, so these are all my 10 products. I'm very excited to have a project pan in 2022, and I hope I will do a lot of progress on this. We are gonna see in February what progress I did, and we are gonna reconsider everything then, because again, I don't have a lot of experience in project panning. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.